Do you want to delete saved items on Facebook Marketplace? You can find and remove saved listings with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete saved items on Facebook Marketplace. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap the Marketplace icon at the top or bottom of the screen. Now you are on the Marketplace home screen. At the top of the screen, tap the profile icon to open your Marketplace options. On the new screen, tap the Saved Items option. In the Saved Items section, scroll to the item you want to delete. Now, a new screen opens with the listing details. Tap the saved icon below the product pictures and title. The item will now be removed from your saved items list. Repeat these steps for any other items you want to delete.